Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you joined me today because I have a ThredUp mystery box. Actually, they call this a rescue box, but it is a mystery to me. This is a shoe rescue box. It is 7 pairs of shoes in my size. It cost me $40. I did get free shipping because there was a shipping code that I used. I had no credits on this box. So I am getting 7 shoes, and I think it boils down to about $5.78 per shoe. Yeah, that's what I'm unboxing today. If you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. I make videos all about women's clothing. I love a box filled with clothing or shoes or handbags or anything I need to put an outfit together, and that is what I make videos about. I did recently start selling my personal closet on Poshmark, and while I was doing that, I was watching other YouTubers that resell on Poshmark and learning some tips and tricks from them, and I saw them unboxing these ThredUp Rescue Boxes, and it looked like so much fun that I had to try it. I have unboxed 2 ThredUp mystery boxes so far. I think they were fabulous. And you just can't beat the fun if you enjoy a surprise. I know some of you want to play it safe. You want to know what you're getting. And I'm just a girl that loves a surprise. And the really cool thing about it is now that I have a Poshmark closet and I'm actively selling on Poshmark, anything that doesn't work for me, I can just sell in my Poshmark closet. I have received this box before. I did make a video. I want to give you an update because I am so very pleased. In my last box, I received 7 pairs of shoes. I did have some credit on that box. I only paid $22 for my last box because I had ThredUp credit. If you have never used ThredUp, you can use my referral link below, and if you use my referral link, you'll get $10 credit to spend anywhere on ThredUp. But they also extend a little credit to me. My last box, I have already sold 3 pairs of shoes. The Nike sneakers, those sold immediately. I listed them and boom, they were sold for full price, no haggling, nothing like that. I was so happy. That is the fastest sale I have had on Poshmark, and it was awesome. So I made $49 on the Nike tennis shoes. The next sale was the very volatile fringe booties. I received an offer for $35 for those booties. I accepted it right away. And the last pair that sold were the white Target slides. I received an offer for $15, which I accepted. So I've sold 3 pairs of shoes from the last box of 7. Now, if you remember, I did throw away one of the pairs of shoes because they were kind of falling apart. I'm going to link that video so that you can check it out if you would like to. But so far, I have made $99 selling those 3 pairs of shoes. Now, Poshmark does charge a 20% fee. After the fees and after the cost of my box, I am still up about $57. It was so much fun that I did order another box. I paid full price for this. I had no credits. I had no discounts. Now, there was a shipping code, so I paid a flat fee of $40 or 7 pairs of shoes. That puts the price per pair of shoes at about $5.78, something like that. So I can't wait to get into this. Let's just do it. This has been actually sitting here for 2 days waiting for me. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. And there is an invoice, and it says I paid $40. And we have some air bubbles. Okay, and every pair is individually wrapped with polka dots. And, okay, let's see. All right, so it looks like flats. And, oh goodness, okay, this is Haan. Wow. Okay, we're starting this one off on the right foot. Now this is like a taupe colored flat, like a cage sandal. This is leather, and it is a peep toe. It does have that flower detail on it. Okay, the bottoms look great. So it's got a rubber sole and also a leather, or that almost looks like cork. I don't know, but that's what the bottom looks like. So, oh gosh, I might keep these for myself because I love Haan. We'll have to see how comfortable these are, but yeah, that's shoe number 1. Okay, and shoe number 2. Okay, I can see some leopard print in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, this is pretty exciting. This is another Haan. Beautiful. Okay, that's a kitten heel. That's about a 2.5-inch kitten heel, pointy toe with a leather band. Oh wow, these are nice. And you can see the Haan there. The bottoms look pretty good. There's the point. And on pointy toe shoes, I mean, that's where we see wear on them, but these look pretty good. This is calf hair, and it has hair on it. Oh, these are awesome. Can you see the inside? Okay, there's a little bit of dirt. And some of you asked in my last video about cleaning shoes. I would be more than happy to make a video to share how I clean my shoes if you really want that information. I don't know. Some of you are just grossed out by used clothing, but for those of you that are intrigued by it and enjoy saving money, I would be happy to share with you how I wash these shoes. Okay, number 3. Here's our next pair. Okay. All right, who are you? Okay, this is Ann Taylor, and this is what they look like. So these are a pump with a rounded almond toe, and they're kind of an olive green color. Wow, these are in really nice shape too. Okay, these are perfect for fall, and I don't think I want these. So these will definitely be in my Poshmark closet. All right. Okay, next pair. Ooh, Toms. Let's see. It's funny because some of these shoes that I'm receiving today, I've actually sold very, very similar shoes. Okay, these are a classic red Tom. Can you believe it? This is like perfect for me. I love these. And these are really, really comfortable shoe, unlike some Toms. So this is what they look like. And this is the bottom, so very little wear. Wow, these are great. Another small package. Let's see. Okay, the next one are more Haan. Oh my goodness. Okay, can you see that? Haan there. And these are these navy blue? These are like a really deep navy blue, rounded toe, flat. This is what the bottoms look like. So the bottoms look very clean. They do have wear on them and a little bit of scuffing there on the toe, but these look like they're in fabulous shape. So yeah, more Haan. This is really turning out to be a great box. Another little bitty bundle. Okay, these have big soles. They look like sandals with big soles. And they are. And actually, whatever they are, they look like brand new. There was a tag. Oh, and actually, I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it was a Ross tag on the bottom of them. So maybe they were not brand new, but I don't see any. Do you see toe marks? So these are, yeah, these are used. These are by Natural Soul. Let me see if this one's better. Okay, this one's better. Natural Soul All Through Comfort. So this is a comfort sandal, and it has, well, these look pretty comfortable. I like that detail on them, though. That's kind of nice. This is a faux leather. But, yeah, the bottoms look just like new. It's hard to tell if they're used or not, but I think they are. I think these have been used. So I don't know anything about this brand. Would anybody buy these? I'm going to have to research it and see. These will probably end up in my Poshmark closet. This is shoe number 7. The last pair of shoes. Let's see. Okay. Not my thing, but I'm sure it's somebody else's thing. Okay, these are Lucky brand, and that's a decent brand. That is actually a really popular brand on Poshmark, so I'm happy to receive Lucky. These, what do you look like? Oh, they look pretty good on the bottom. Very little wear. You can see the toe right there is a little bit of wear, but they're a leather sandal. They do have a platform. They have the cone heel on them. They do zip up in the back. Let's see if the zippers work. That's a big thing, seeing if zippers work. The zipper works on this one. What about this one? Oh, let me put it in there. Okay. My zippers work. These are my lucky shoes. I'm pretty happy with everything in this box. I don't know anything about this shoe, so we'll see how this does. I will recap in a few weeks and let you guys know how I'm doing with this haul. A quick recap. We did get the Lucky brand sandals, these high heel platform leather sandals by Lucky. These Life Sole comfort sandals. Cross your fingers on this one. Next, the really cute dark navy blue Haan flats. The pair I want to keep for myself, the red Toms that are in fabulous, fabulous shape. I did sell some of my Toms on Poshmark, and my Toms were just like new. I had worn them once, I cleaned them up, I sold them, and I think I got like $15 for them. So I don't know if they're really worth selling, but I think these are worth me wearing for a while. Next pair was the Ann Taylor pumps in this fabulous olive colored suede. So these are pretty nice, especially for fall. The Haan Leopard Mules. These are fabulous, and I would probably consider keeping these for myself. You guys know this looks like a shoe I would wear, except I don't care for the kitten heel. I like a little bit more stability in my heel, but aren't these marvelous? And the final pair were the Haan flats, the taupe flats with the little floral detail. Ooh, you guys see that? There's a little separation on the insole there. So I guess I'm gonna have to take a look at that and see if there's anything I can do to secure that. Yeah, that's a bummer. But I like these shoes, so I might just be keeping these for myself as well. What do you think about this box? I have had so much fun sharing this with you. Now, ThredUp is a consignment shop, and all of these items are items that ThredUp either could not sell, rejected them, did not want to sell, or they weren't able to sell in their consignment online store. So that's why I received them. It is expected to get DIY, stuff that you do have to repair, clean, things like that. That is not a surprise to me. I hope it doesn't surprise you. I mean, for the price of this box and the brands that I received, I give this one 5 stars. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I do have a great big box, shoe rescue from ThredUp, coming with 25 pairs of mixed sizes. So make sure you're subscribed. I know you don't want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.